Hey everybody, welcome to another episode of Songs Your Dad Should Have Shown You. Now, if there's a common theme in the 80s, it was all like the science fiction, kind of like a futuristic kind of vibe, like they wanted everything to be so 1984, and this is like, they had a movie called 1984, it was supposed to be ultra punk and ultra futuristic. So a rash of songs came out in the 80s, and this is one in particular by a band called A Flock of Seagulls. A Flock of Seagulls. They had a couple of big hits, Space Age Love Song, and that song Ran So Far. I ran so far away. So they had some good big hits in the 80s, but this was my favorite one personally. I like the other two a lot. This one was the most kind of ridiculous as far as I want to be like futuristic. So let's take a listen and find out why. Sounds from the future. He had some good hair. So industrial, like they're hooked on that. The crowd goes wild. Yeah, that's another thing. They made these things short back then. A Flock of Seagulls is a really good band. They're still playing to this day, believe it or not. They do a lot of festivals and things like that, a lot of 80s tours. I think they were touring with Men Without Hats just recently, and Howard Jones and English Beat, like a couple of 80s bands. But they're always been a lot of fun. They've always been super, like kind of like Devo, a little avant-garde kind of stuff. But an enjoyable band, and if it's something your dad didn't show you, you need to give him a call.